Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop and cut out picture in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we can go to our Photoshop mobile application, and after we have this application opened, we can choose a photo we want to crop or cut out. For instance, I'm gonna go with this photo. We can tap on the photo, and if we want to crop it, we can go to the crop option, and then you can crop your photo as you want, like this. You can also use the aspect ratios, which has been available right here. There are a couple of aspect ratio you can apply to your photo, and I'm just go with this one, guys. And then I'm going to show you how we can cut out this photo. We can go to the background option, click on the background, and then you can click on action right here, then choose remove. Okay, and this is the result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can crop and cut out picture in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.